Art and craft time. Wow! I know you love doing art and craft. So go creative, but don't go messy.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town, all through the town.
Hello, my brilliant students. Enjoying the ride?
Yes, ma'am. Today we are in great mood.
Ma'am, I want to do something really interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, play any game with us today, please.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Okay. Let me think of some nice activity.
Activity.
Yes, from your poem Wheels on the Bus, I remember an activity, Spin the Wheel.
Spin the wheel.
Yes, this is an amazing, fun game.
Fun game.
Will you do it with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow, I'm glad. So without wasting much time, let's get to the activity.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, kids, to prepare Spin the Wheel activity, we'll be needing these things. A4 size papers in white, black and pink color. 2 different size round lids. A lead pencil, a cardboard, a glue, a pair of scissors, a straw and a toothpick. At first, take a cardboard and paste any color paper on it and set aside. Now take an A4 sized paper and draw 2 different sizes of circles on it with the help of lead pencil and lids. Like this. After this, draw some lines from the middle of the circle to give a cut. Next, like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, cut the drawn lines from the edges of the bigger circle and fold or twist the edges upwards. Fold it like this.
It's very interesting and easy, ma'am. It's so easy.
Now erase the lines from the middle. Now make eyes
Wow.
and lips using small pieces of papers with the mentioned colors.
Yes, ma'am. Wow.
Now make a hole in this wheel. Now take the cardboard and make a hole in the middle. Fix the already made wheel on the cardboard with the help of a toothpick.
Yes, ma'am. Wow. It's amazing.
And now finally use a straw to blow the wheel smoothly.
Wow, ma'am. It's very nice.
So,
It's wonderful. Yes.
You are good to go now. Okay, my champs, it was really an amazing activity. I enjoyed it a lot.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope you also have enjoyed it. Now you can make it with the help of your parents or your siblings.
I will definitely try this at home, ma'am.
Inshallah, my champs. Have fun. Take care. Allah Hafiz.